Good morning everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative showing you what is in the card making kit for July with Fresh Folk. So inside the kit you get this piece of paper which opens out with images of the cards for you to copy, and this is exact size measurement of the card. So if I've measured here to here on the card, that's the exact same measurement as I have used. I just want to give you a tip on this one, which is right here in front of me, is I just got my tape, empty tape roller, I put it on my card and I just traced around the middle of it, and I gave it just a very light pencil line so I knew how to layer up and build the cute wreath, which is, you can see I've just used some of the creative cuts and cut out from the little book. Okay, what else is in the kit? So you get in the kit the card and envelopes, you get some of these beautiful sunshine pearls, the creative cuts, which are a mix of regular creative cuts and vellum, one of these cute little quarters of our cut apart sheet for card making, just some random ribbon this month. There wasn't any particular colour ribbon that I used, so the girls just put in some random ribbon, and the 6x6 collection pack. So that is what's included in the card kit. They're just $27. Here are the 6 cards that I have designed to get you started, but there's 10 card and envelopes, and you will be sure to make many more, I am positive. Lots of just great, bright, beautiful cards to have in your stash. This is using the little layer cut sheet that's in the mini book to make my little embellishment there. Lots of beautiful fun things. I would recommend popping in some foam mounts in your order if you don't already have them at home. I do like to mount things up on my cards. As you can see, little Foxy there is mounted up. So that is it guys, card making kits are now available and are shipping, and we hope you like this one. Till next time, bye.